Hello everyone, watchers and listeners. Welcome to my video. I am Ren, here today to help you how to use Excel to find and compute the z-score in your research. Before we proceed, here are some terms to remember and familiarize. You can pause the video and take a picture if you want. Okay, let's proceed. Now let's discuss the main topic. What is z-score? Z-score or standard score refers to how many standard deviation the data point is from the mean. If the standard deviation is about the average distance of all data points from the mean, z-score targets a specific data point that provides the distance of it from the mean. We get the z-score by converting the raw score. But why discuss this? Because we cannot achieve the same result we need specifically from z-score from just using the raw score alone. Raw score provides a specific result. It can be used to compare the difference of two data points or more. Now, there are two different ways to find the z-score using Excel. As you can already see, I have prepared a table with the raw score, mean, and standard deviation. You have to make sure that you have already computed the mean and the standard deviation. So there are two methods as you can see. We have the function and manual. We'll first do the function. To do this, select a cell that you want the score to be present in. Mine, I have selected the cell under the function. So to do this, we input an equal score. That's how you use a function in Excel. An equal score, and then we type standardize. As you can already see, the Excel automatically finds it for you. So all you have to do is click tab, and as you can see, it is asking for the data that we want and that is needed to produce the result we want. So for x is data point, let's say I want to find the z-score of 25, so I choose 25, and then the mean, which is 30 in my example, and the standard deviation. We click the tab again to close it, and there you have it. I have my z-score. For the uh, manual is basically just doing the calculation manually, but instead of paper, we do it on Excel. So as what you can remember or do not know, the formula for Z score is my data point minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. We do this by putting first the mean and the data point inside the bracket so that the application computes it first. So data point minus the mean, close the bracket, divided by standard deviation. As you can see, they produce the same result despite of the difference in methods. Now, if I want to find all of the z-score for all of the data points in my table, what I will have to do is just simply drag this down. But as you can see, it produced me an error. Why is this? Well, in Excel, or in this situation, look at this, at the top or the function thingy. As you can see, I have my mean in B13 and standard deviation in B14. But when I dragged it, right? But when I dragged it, it moved. The position of where my mean should be was uh, beat 14 and then beat 15 for the standard deviation, where as you can see, if I double click this, the colors are not where it's supposed to be. So in order to avoid this problem, wait, in order to avoid this problem, you have to put a dollar sign between the letter and number. Let me do that real quick. This will prevent a specific cell from moving when you are doing a drop down. So now that I have put a dollar sign, let's see what the results will be. There you have it. You can do the same here in the manual. Let me just, and that's about it. Now, why should we be learning about this, or why you should be learning about this? Just as I have previously mentioned, z-score helps compare the distance of a data point from the mean from other data points. In conclusion, so basically we have two ways. One is using the standardized function method in Excel and the manual. Though regardless, the results produced are the same. That's all for today. I hope you had fun. Red out.